Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to open and use Internet Explorer on Windows 11. Internet Explorer is one of the oldest software in the Windows operating system that was introduced in 1995 along with Windows 95. Until 2014, it was the primary browser for every Windows operating system. However, Microsoft changed its decision in 2015 and introduced a brand new browser, Edge. After presenting the Edge browser, Edge became the default browser in Windows 10, and Internet Explorer took the back seat. However, on June 15, 2022, Microsoft discontinued the support for Internet Explorer, and it will no longer receive any updates. But, for older websites, the firm introduced IE mode in the Edge browser to make the websites backward compatible. Besides that, the firm made hidden the IE, Internet Explorer, in Windows 11. That means an average user cannot find and access it. Also, when you directly launch it, it will automatically redirect you to Microsoft Edge. Due to some reason, if you really need to use Internet Explorer on Windows 11, this Garip Windows video article will guide you in the correct direction. Here is how to do it. How to open Internet Explorer in Windows 11. Using a simple Notepad file, you can open and use Internet Explorer in Windows 11. So, first, open a Notepad file. In the Notepad file, copy and paste the following. Create object, Internet Explorer, application, visible equals true. Please note, you can copy this script from this video description. Now, click on the File menu. Then, select Save as option. Select a location where you want to save your file. Name the file with the VBS extension, such as IEVBS. Next, choose the All Files option in the drop-down menu, Save as Type. At last, hit the Save button. The next time you want to access Internet Explorer, double-click on the VBS file you created. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.